Welcome to the new Home Genie server. Your command center, completely personalized. Now with native support for over 100 languages. Design a dashboard that's uniquely yours. Change the background, adjust opacity, and blur for a look that's all you. Bring your dashboard to life with vibrant, animated backgrounds. Prefer a different mood? Instantly switch to the elegant dark theme. Unleash your creativity with the Live Widget Editor. Directly edit the HTML and CSS, and watch your widget transform in real time. No page reloads, just precise, real-time updates. Bind a module to instantly preview your device's real-time data right in the editor. Placing your new creations on the dashboard is effortless. Simply drag to organize your layout. Everything reflows automatically. Instantly dive into your data's history, right from the widget. Compare sources, apply powerful filters, and customize every visual detail. Then, save your finished chart as a brand new, live widget on your dashboard. Home Genie's power is its endless extensibility. Activate advanced, AI-driven features like real-time object detection with a single click. Or enable pose estimation, analyzing motion with incredible precision, even on low-resolution streams. And this is where it all comes together: intelligence in the physical world. Watch as an automation program uses AI to autonomously track and pursue a target. From visual perception to robotic action, all powered by Home Genie.